In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the speed and upper set points on a 1700 series MCD manual roller shade. I know this is a 1700 series roller shade because it's got black adjustment wheels like these on both sides. So something good to know is anytime your material comes off the back side of the roller towards the window frame, you're going to find your black speed adjustment on the left. You'll find your upper set point adjustment on the right. You can always turn the wheel that's going to be on the left clockwise to speed it up, counterclockwise to slow it down. And once you get your speed set right, you adjust the wheel on the right side and you'll control where it stops at the top, but you'll see it in real time. And I'll show you that in just a second. So let's see what this shade wants to do. All right, it's going pretty slow. Let's help it out. And it's stopping too high. So what I'm going to do is pull the shade down. You don't have to do that, but I like to do this. It just lets me know that as I'm rolling the shade, as I'm turning this black wheel clockwise, I'm rolling it up, and that lets me know everything's working properly. So we gave it some tension. Let's see. I added a little bit too much tension, so what I'm going to do is I'll lock the shade in again, but I'm going to turn it down this time to slow it down. So let's see. I'm happy with that speed there, so let's fix where it stops at the top. So now that my speed's right, I'm going to come to the other side of the wheel, and again, since this shade here, since the material comes off the back side, I'm going to find this adjustment here on the right, and I'm going to turn this wheel until it pushes the shade down. And once it does, I can stop, check its function, and it's working properly. So let's say I want it to come a little lower. All I got to do is take it through a cycle like I just did, lower it down. So now I can probably reach it hanging out of my balance. So now your shade's going to come up at a speed that you're happy with and stop where you want it to. And that's how you set the speed and upper set points on a 1700 series MCD manual roller shade.